Hello friends. Now let us take up the concept number 13, 4.13, comma operator. This is the last category of operators in our discussion. Already I explained about arithmetical operators, relational operators, logical operators, unary increment and decrement operators, assignment operators, conditional operators, bitwise operators, finally comma operator. Comma already introduced to you as a separator. Okay, it is a separator. When you are writing a list of variables and all that, you have to separate them using comma. But it can be used as an operator also. By using comma, we can develop smart code only in one case. That's why let us discuss its functionalities also. Now, is just a simple statement. Normally, you write int a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5, c is equal to a into b. Like that, you write. This can be written, all this can be written in one line like this and all that. Now we see a is equal to 3, comma, b is equal to 5, comma, c is equal to a into b. In this manner, by separating the expressions uh, with commas, you can write. By this, what is the advantage? You can simplify the code. It is more readable. Where you have this type of requirement, instead of writing this, you write this one. That is good. Every time I am telling you, wherever you find some smart element in the programming language, you apply the smart elements. By applying the smart elements, you can improve the readability and other benefits might be there. If you don't write, what is the great loss? Whoever, some professional reads your program, observes that, feels that you didn't know that element. Suppose this is the compound assignment operator. And now, instead of that, in a normal way, if you use and all that, immediately he focuses on that and he forms a negative opinion on you. The results are same. There is no difference in result. But only because of this thing, you are undermined. You unnecessarily he put a negative mark to you. Why you should get it? That's why every time I am telling you, your code, your program documents your personality. Personality means, in this case, what you have to understand, your maturity, your proficiency, all that are demonstrated in your program. Your program documents it. That's why in every context I am telling you different conventions, different techniques, different smart items, all that you remember, and wherever opportunity comes and all that, then you must use that. In a previous concepts and conditional operators, I applied symbolic constants. There the candidate is eligible, printf, the candidate is eligible. No, the printf, the candidate is not eligible. So already we learnt symbolic constants and macros. Then whenever context comes and all that, those should be used. When they are used and all that, then your program is readable and it is simplified, and whoever professional reads your program, then it creates a better impression, a good impression on you and all that. That is the professionalism. That's why whenever you are writing program, first you concentrate how to write a good and correct program and all that. Before executing, after or otherwise after completion of writing your program, you think twice how I can make this program more readable, more smart by using smarter elements. Then you write the code. You find like that. And in this context, one more point I have to tell you: this programming is not overnight job. It is a continuous, it is like evolution. Then gradually, whatever you feel best, if you feel this is the ultimate program and all that, if you continue your study like that and all that, if you are updating your knowledge, after some time, you may not treat the same program like that. You find lot of loopholes or inferior features and all that. So it is a continuous process. There is no last page for this and all that. You love programming, thereafter you can find smarter elements. Every time you can develop your program in a better way than the earlier. This is the modus operandi of developing as a professional in this field.